You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this type of dish, pastry dish, dessert, cake, from Turkey. If you want to learn more names from Turkish cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. Kalburabastı is the Turkish pronunciation here. Kalburabastı. Kalburabastı. In English, you can say it as Kalburabastı. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.